on your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro. If left or right, one side is not working, no sound on one side, then in today's video we'll give you some simple fixes that you can use to solve this one side issue on your Edifier TWS. Now first of all, these might just be some charging issues, especially if you frequently use just one bud. So we recommend you to just go ahead, keep both the buds in the charging case and charge them for a while. If that didn't help, what you can do next is, from settings on your device, just go ahead, forget your Edifier, and then make sure both the buds are inside the case, and then hard reset the buds by pressing twice on this button. You'll see a flashing white light, and eventually it'll go into pairing mode with this alternate green and white light. And then just go ahead, repair with the device of your choice. Hopefully your one side issue will solve after that. Just in case if it's still there, whatever device is paired to, from settings on your device, search for mono audio. First of all, make sure mono audio is turned off. Then go to the balance slider. If it's set to extreme left or right, just set it in the middle. If there is no hardware issue or major damage on your bud, these fixes are enough to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.